Again, I feel very honored to be a part of it, and feel like this is something that will affect, in a positive way, my career going forward. Hi, my name is Curt Easton, and I'm a member of Tri-County Suburban REALTORs, and have been for the last 6 months. And I am also a 2025 graduate of the Leadership Development Program. Whether you plan to be a leader of people or not, you're still leading yourself and you're still leading your clients. And so therefore I think there's definitely value in the material that was presented in the class. From an affiliate standpoint, again, as a lender, I got a lot out of it. And I can't imagine where any other affiliate wouldn't feel the same way. In fact, it's funny because I was actually a little bit reluctant to apply. Received an email that I kind of ignored, and got a second one which I kind of figured might be a sign to go ahead and apply. And I'm so glad I did. From beginning to end, the application process was relatively simple, but the class itself, I just found a great deal of value, not only from the leaders that you brought in to teach the different classes, literally from across the country, but also the participants themselves. Really great to kind of rub elbows, if you will, with some of the industry leaders here in the area. Really kind of get to know them and hear different perspectives from different people at different ages, as well as different levels of experience.